Hi, thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I really appreciate it. I'm an esthetician. I'm in my 60s, and today I'm going to show you how to do an at-home facelift using cupping and product that will make your skin look amazing. So before we get started, please like and share this video, and also leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. So this is what the at-home spa facelift looks like kit. And in it is this box that has the two cupping tools, a small and medium cup, and then also the gold serum, and then also a seaweed lifting serum, an eye and neck firming cream, and a sponge for cleansing. So the first thing that I'm going to have you do is do a little bit of a scalp massage. Now they found that if you do the scalp massage, it helps to do lymphatic drainage of the face and neck, and it also, it also gives circulation. And so when you get the blood flow going, you get more nutrients to your face and neck, and then also your facial muscles, a lot of them start up in your scalp, and so that helps to give a little bit of a lift, and then whatever you do to your face and neck afterwards will work a little bit better. So I'm only going to do one side so that to save time. So I'm going to start with doing, we're going to do circles in here, and with sort of medium pressure. And what you want to make sure that you do is especially do the back of your ear, and where your hairline is back here and down your neck. And so you're just going to be doing that. You could actually do both sides at once. So you're just going to be doing this to your head for maybe a couple of minutes, and then make sure that you get every little area, and it's just kind of a circular motion, and it feels really good. Then you're going to go back behind your ear, and you're going to do some circular motions down here. And they discovered this because someone was laying down on a facial table and they just wanted their head massaged, and when they got up, their face was more lifted. And so I started looking into this. Why did this happen, and why would this be beneficial? And so I have added it to my routine, and it is very effective. So you're going to go down behind your neck and just move this down, and then when you get to your shoulder, you want to kind of push that back, the trap, and then you want to go underneath your collarbone and into here so that you do a good lymphatic drainage. So make sure you've done that on both sides, and then we're going to start with the sponge. And so the cognac sponge, it will give your skin a glow. It's all natural. It is 100% natural, and it's antibacterial, antimicrobial, so it won't get bacteria in it. And it helps with lines and wrinkles, and it's fine for very sensitive skin. You don't have to add a cleanser to it. This can be your cleanser. You can add cleanser if you want, but it will gently exfoliate just using water. When you first open up the package, it feels like a pumice stone, but then when you dip it in water, which I just did, so when you dip it in water and squeeze it out, it becomes almost like jelly-like. It feels really good. So you can have the most expensive skincare in the world, but if you don't exfoliate your skin, it's just going to sit on top of all those dead skin cells. So then I'm just going to do one side so that to save time. And so you would just gently exfoliate your skin, your neck, until your skin is all nice and clean. And then we're going to go on to the next step, which is the Gold Youth Serum. Now this is based in rosehip seed oil. It also has all organic ingredients, including frankincense and lavender and vitamin E. And this is called a dry oil because it's very close to your own skin's natural sebum. And so we're just going to apply this. This feels and smells so good. And so I'm going to apply it to my neck and the side of my face, and I'm going to be using the cupping tools over this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use the larger cupping tool. And just like if you had a knot in your hair. You're not going to start up here and try and comb it down. You're going to start at the bottom and just slowly work that out. And that's what happens with the lymphatic system. You want to start at a lower end and then slowly go up. So we're going to start with the back of the neck. So right behind the ear, you're going to squeeze this and you're going to feel a suction. And you're going to do that suction 3 times down your neck. And then after you do that, you're going to move forward so that you're behind your ear, and then you're going to aim for the center here. So we're going to do 3 of those. And then we're going to go back and you're going to squeeze and hold and then move it down. So when you squeeze it, it's going to stay. You're going to keep that, that pressure on there, and then it's going to suction and hold the skin all the way down. So you can hear that at the end, it pops. So after we do that, we're going to go up to the forehead and we're going to go down 3 times. So we're moving the lymphatic from here down. And then after we have done that, we're going to go the neck. So as we get older, we have less of a V here and more of this is sagging. The cheekbone starts falling down with gravity, and then the fat falls into here, and then we get more of a square look. So we're just going to go up, and we're going to move this along the jawline and then down the lymphatic system over here again. And now we're just going to we're going to squeeze and pop this whole area. And what that does is it helps build collagen, and it also gets the blood moving in here, the circulation. So we're going to do that. Makes my voice jiggle. And then we're going to move up to this whole area in the chin and just all over the whole side of the face here. So we're going to move that circulation. We're going to be building collagen, and then once we have done this circulation popping, then we're going to go into moving it up. So you want to move that cheekbone up, and right here where the jowling is, going to move that up. So we're just going to do this a few times, and you're going to really feel it going up here. And so we're going to loosen up some of that fascia so that it gets real tight in here for the fascia. That's kind of like the sweater that holds everything in on your face and body. So we're going to loosen that up and free it up so that we can lift this whole area up. Then I'm going to move on to the forehead. So we're just going to, I know a lot of people get an 11 right here, and I'm one of them. So we can work on that 11, and we're going to pop this. So we're going to be pushing and popping this up and then sliding. So we're going to make sure that it holds onto the skin, keep the hold, and then slide it up. So we're going to continue sliding this up. And then we can just repeat on the other side. And our next step is to have the seaweed lifting serum. Now the seaweed lifting serum, seaweed is one of the few things that will actually help to reverse sun damage. And they predict that 85 to 90% of what we see as wrinkling is actually sun damage. So this helps to reverse sun damage. And I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but it is green with seaweed, with natural seaweed. And this the seaweed is loaded with vitamins and minerals, and it really feeds your skin. It is one of the most powerful antioxidants, so it's going to protect against the environment, smog and smoke. And so this will help save your skin. You won't have that damage. So you have this. This is our next one, and this smells amazing. This is my most popular product. It smells like pomegranate. It does so much for your skin. It has some DMAE, which is naturally occurring in plants, but it helps to lift your face. DMAE tells your muscles to tighten up. It's a neurotransmitter, and you will love this. And then my very last step is going to be the Firming Eye and Neck. This also has DMAE, and it smells like a little bit of lavender. It's very light, and so you can apply this on your neck. A lot of people, they don't like their neck, and part of it is the hydration. It has tightening, but this also will give you a lot of hydration in your neck, and that will help to keep the look of the wrinkling and the crepiness away. And then underneath the eye, most of us could use this extra hydration underneath your eye. And even if you just use this this cream, you can see a tightening in about 15 minutes. Now, if you have drier skin, you can use the Firming Eye and Neck cream for your whole face and just use it as your night cream, and you will love this. So that is my entire little facelift and hydrating and anti-aging. But you can also take the eye and neck cream and put it on your lips, and it helps to helps the shape of your lips. It helps plumping them up a little bit, and then also if you put a little bit on your lips and then you put lipstick on, it'll help your lipstick go on smoother. And so I will put a link to the website, and I am doing a special on this. It is almost 60% off right now, so that you can have a wonderful home care kit. You can look beautiful, and you are beautiful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.